video will outline the proper techniques to replace the lower rack wheel and retainer assembly. Use this procedure if a wheel has come off the rack or if a replacement wheel is to be installed. There are 3 different types of retainers used on GE dishwashers. The first type is a removable push-on retainer. The second type is a push-on retainer that cannot easily be removed. The third type is a rotate-on retainer. The designs are used interchangeably, so your rack will have one of the 3 types. To replace the wheel and retainer assembly, begin by removing the rack. Next, determine which type of wheel assembly your dishwasher uses. If you have a push-on retainer, slide the wheel and retainer assembly onto the axle and push the retainer assembly onto the rack to lock it in place. If you have a rotate-on retainer, slide the wheel and retainer assembly onto the axle and rotate the hook into the locked position. Place the rack back into the dishwasher and make sure all wheels ride along the track. If you need new wheel or roller assemblies, call 1-800-626-2002 to order and purchase parts.